Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to update your YouTube app. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my mobile device. Now to update YouTube app, first of all go to this Play Store and over here on the top search for YouTube and tap on this search. After that, you can see the YouTube is installed and update is available. So to update YouTube, tap on this update and you can see here it is pending. That means it's pending to download on my device. You can see download of YouTube is started on my phone. The speed depends on your internet speed as well as on your device capacity. As soon as it reaches 100%, it will be installed automatically on our phone. Now you can see it's 100% downloaded. Now it's installing in my phone. So in this way, we can update and install YouTube on our phone. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.